Okay, students, this is a screencast on how to work with your graphing calculator to put your graph and your table together. So if you notice here, I'm going through and I'm pressing on my table and I'm seeing my graph at the same time. Now, how do you do that? Well, let's take a minute and show you. First of all, we'll just get out of this and you're going to go to your equation editor. Remember, that's what I said that button is called, your equation editor. And I'm going to put in x squared. Don't forget to use the square key here if you need to. All right, I'm going to ask you to go and hit your mode key, mode, and I want you to go down here to the bottom, and your choices are full, horizontal, and G-T, graph-table. So that's what I want you to activate, and you do that by going over that feature and then hitting enter. That activates that particular feature. Then you could hit graph. Okay, you could hit your window and notice that my window values are from -5, 5, then the Y minimum is 0 and the Y maximum is 10. Okay, if you need to change that, you can. So again, I'm going to hit graph now. I could hit trace and I can notice that I have my point on the curve and I'm identifying the X and the Y coordinates right here, and I can go down. I could probably round that if I wanted to by going to the mode, but for right now we're just going to look at it that way. Also, I could go to the right. Let's see. No, it's not going to let me do that. Let me hit graph again. Okay, let me go to table. Okay, now I'm at the table. I could go up and down the table and notice it's showing me its coordinate on the graph. That is very, very neat. Now let me go to mode and change this to 1 decimal place. See how I did that? Go back to graph, and now if you notice, when I go to my table, here's 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going up by integers. Okay, so I could change my table. Press plus for delta table. Okay, well, plus for delta table. All right, I can go up by 0.1 and then I guess hit enter. All right, there we go. Okay, notice I could have my values finer. All right, that's a little information about having the graph and the table available to you together. I hope that helps.